শুরু করো।
হ্যাঁ
ওকে।
I am Asil. I come from Turkey. I am a solo rider. I'm travel to worlds and alone with motorcycle. I want to learn culture and see more country. Turkey, Iran, Pakistan. Now, tomorrow I am going to Islamabad. Later, Lahore, India, Nepal. It's my journey. This route. People, so kindly, so hospitality, so good communication, and they really help me everywhere. I am happy to hear, and I really like mango.
শুরু করো।
হ্যাঁ
ওকে।
നാളി
Dinner, lunch or breakfast?
जी जी